the aircraft Cessna? Why it is named like this? Why it doesn't have a retractable landing gear? Where it looked like old, but why we are using this aircraft in modern day? Why? Here is the solution. In this video, we are going to learn briefly about Cessna Skyhawk 172 and know about 5 interesting facts about them. The Cessna Skyhawk is the ultimate training aircraft and the most popular single-engine aircraft ever built. With forgiving flight characteristics, great visibility, a sophisticated glass cockpit outfitted with G1000 avionics, slow landing speed and a forgiving stall. The Cessna Skyhawk is especially suited for student pilots. The name Skyhawk originally referred to a deluxe option package. Although you may be used to hearing the name Cessna Skyhawk, originally the Cessna 172 was called just that. The Cessna 172, it had no fancy name. The name Skyhawk came out in 1960 with the release of the 172B. This model had the option for a standard package or a deluxe option package, named the Skyhawk, with extra equipment and full exterior paint. 5 interesting facts about Cessna. Number 1. The Cessna 172 is the most produced aircraft ever, since production began in 1956. Over 43,000 Cessna 172s have been built, with more still on the way. This legendary aircraft is well loved, well respected and still in demand more than 60 years after it first came on the market. Number 2. A modern-day Cessna Skyhawk 172 costs around $300,000 for its highest version, which is 30 times lesser than a Boeing 737 MAX passenger plane. Number 3. The Cessna Skyhawk 172 holds the World Flight Endurances record. Robert Tim and John Cook flies took off the Cessna from McCarran Airfield in Las Vegas and flies around 64 days, 22 hours, 19 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 4. The Cessna Skyhawk 172 is the only plane of its generation surviving nearly 6 decades and so called popularly as the undisputed champion of the general aviation industry. Number 5. The Cessna 172 family is the safest plane in the world with a brilliant fatal accident rate of 0.56% per 1 lakh hours, which is way better than the industry average of 1.2 to 1.4. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to share.